Attention! This video isn't a tutorial because I am a bad person who is bad at tutorial. If you genuinely want to know how to make Latin trap, I'd recommend videos that help you understand what to do it a bit more. This video is solely how I make music, so it's not that helpful. Now, if you want to watch me making beats and rapping randomly, stay, please. Today's video will not actually take place in this little area, believe it or not. We're gonna be making some Latin trap today. With that said, let's head to the studio, and yeah, it should be pretty fun. Now, while I'm driving, I'm gonna tell you guys about the kind of trap we're gonna be making. So, preferably, I'm gonna try and find a Latin sample on YouTube and pirate it, and then we're going to add some drums, some good 808s, and then some vocals onto it, and try and make a track out of it. And by the end of it, we should have a pretty good track. So, yeah. This trash can's really annoying.
The people, I know.
Alrighty, we're at our destination. Finally at the studio. I don't even know if I'm focused. I am so excited to show you guys this place. It's so cool. Really cool. Wait, I think I forgot something. Yeah, oops, hold on. Okay, that's good. Okay, we're here. Yeah. This is also interesting because you guys are gonna see what my process is when I make music, which is cool too. So now comes the important part of doing some digging and finding a sample that we want to use. That is Latin. Also, I'm sorry about the quality. For some reason on this computer, things on the resolution is 1080, so that is what I have to work with. Sorry. Usually you can find some pretty good samples by just searching samples Latin, and you'll find these huge playlists like this that you can work with. Now, since I'm not necessarily making this into a real song that I'm uploading, I can really just choose whatever sample I like. I really like this one. I think we don't even have to look any further. We're just gonna send this straight to YouTube to MP3 converter. I don't condone using it, but please use it. Do that. I think it's just 120. That, if it is, perfect. It's 120. That's so amazing. All of this stuff here will be intro, kind of build up, I don't know. Let's start with 808s. Feeling really good about that. Before I hear it, yes, it's true. I use loops. If you got a problem, I understand. I think this part here is good. Now, let's start doing things. Let's bring this on its own layer, and we're going to start tweaking it, cleaning it up in the EQ, stuff like that. So before it sounded like this. Now it sounds like this. I'm okay with it being a little bit more muffled because it's a sample. Now let's EQ our 808 real quick. Super easy. Just take out all the high end. Let's add some backing. Basically this layer I just added in adds a bit of sub bass, it's like a bass booster, and spreads the sound all around. Let's do the drums. And we'll add 808 to it as well, just to punch it, you know. But in combination with this, makes the drum sound cleaner. Does need some reverb though. I'm just gonna go here, do this green effects, always works for me. So what I did is I have the main samplers here, and I have a second layer that's quieter and is playing it with some reverb. Let's work on the intro now. I want it to do like dun 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 dun. We're gonna have a second layer of this sample right under it that is gonna have tape delay. Yeah, turn up the feedback. I want that also to be faster. Yep. Let's also add echo. I don't know how much this is gonna do, but we'll see. Cool. Alright, so to fade into this part of the song naturally, I'm thinking of making a new layer of this track, bringing this down, and then cutting a good bit of it off, then adding a very intense reverb to it, right? Then bouncing that as its own track. Now we're going to go here and reverse that, so now we should be left with something like this. So with that there, maybe we can even speed it up. Ooh, trim it down, reverse it, and just have a little short rising 808. Great. Now what is about to happen is I am going to write some lyrics. You know what? If I'm gonna have to rap and master all that, then I don't want to bother with this. Hey, doodling in the studio. Mikasa full of. Mikasa's great. Let me record this and then come back to you when I have that. I hate the lyrics for this song so much. Oh yeah, I go into my closet to rap. This comes out. There we go. It's all so jank. Mikasa is thrilling. We part of the show. Underground layer. Keep it quiet. They don't know. Yeah, that's all I'm showing you. Jeez. Hey. Hey, whoa! I got my vocals done, and my room's a mess, but I did it. Finally, finished my vocals. It's time to mix it and make my voice actually sound decent. All I've done right now is cropped what I need. I'm gonna duplicate my voice layer and add this like amp.
Doodling on the patio.
It's in all of my songs, but it's very faint most of the time.
Hey, whoa, doodling on the patio.
Okay, that's not bad. Get out of here. I'm out of my Mott's. My Mott's fruit snacks are out. So, this A.
Hey.
I want to like ripple.
Hey.
Let's just bring that up.
Hey. Whoa.
We got a 30-second snippet song right there. I don't know why I did this. I just mostly wanted to make a track today and show you guys a little bit about how I make things and like my process. This wasn't necessarily a how-to, more of just let's make something. Yep, music. This is a little Latin stack trap that I made. If you like this video, like it. If you want to subscribe, then do that too. This song's gonna play at the end now. Enjoy. I'm gonna export this. And yeah, God, this is...
Whoa, doodling on the patio. Me casa is strictly part of the show. Underground there, keep it quiet, they don't know. I have to reach 10 in this video. Just killed everyone in the studio. My voice ain't that deep, but it's coolio. I shook hands for release, that's the dealio.